Hey there, it's me. Welcome back to Able Infotech, where we like to think about the future of YouTube and technology. Today we're diving into an incredible advancement that's about to change the way we consume content on YouTube: automatic dubbing. Imagine watching your favorite videos in your native language without losing the original essence. Sounds exciting? Let's explore. This technology can analyze the original audio, understand the context, and generate voiceovers in different languages. It's like having a personal translator for every video you watch. Automatic dubbing refers to the use of advanced AI algorithms to translate and dub videos in real time. Picture this: a cooking tutorial in English automatically dubbed in Spanish, reaching a wider audience and sharing cultural insights. Or a science experiment in German translated into French, breaking language barriers in education. The possibilities are endless. As technology advances, we can expect to see more creators and viewers embracing this innovative tool. What are some unique ways that creators can leverage this technology? Our platform is designed to harness the power of AI and machine learning to make automatic dubbing accessible to everyone. We believe that language should not be a barrier to great content, and our platform empowers creators to break those barriers and connect with a global audience. And what challenges do you think need to be addressed as automatic dubbing becomes more widespread? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. So how does it work? Automatic dubbing may sometimes misinterpret cultural nuances or humor, leading to potential misunderstandings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on all things AI and social media. Let's continue the conversation. Creators will need to ensure that their content remains authentic and relatable even in translation. Additionally, maintaining the emotional tone of the original voiceovers can be tricky. A huge shout out to our talented team who make all of this possible. Your hard work and dedication do not go unnoticed. Keep an eye out for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating. Thank you for watching. Some platforms are already working on solutions by integrating automatic dubbing with human review, ensuring that the final product is not only accurate, but also culturally appropriate. Automatic dubbing leverages machine learning models that have been trained on vast datasets. Imagine your content reaching viewers across different countries without the hassle of manual translations. For viewers, it means access to diverse content in their preferred language. No more language barriers. This technology can also enhance educational content, making learning resources available to everyone regardless of their language. These models can recognize speech patterns, understand nuances, and even mimic voices. With advancements in natural language processing, the translations are becoming more accurate and contextually relevant. Plus, voice synthesis technology can create realistic voiceovers that sound natural. The benefits are huge. For content creators, automatic dubbing opens doors to a global audience. We envision a future where creators from different parts of the world collaborate effortlessly. But it's not without challenges. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of automatic dubbing are too significant to ignore. Here are some questions for you to ponder. How do you think automatic dubbing will impact the future of YouTube? At our company, we are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of YouTube. And now it's time to take a moment to appreciate the incredible people behind this amazing platform. That's all for today, my friends.